There are three ways to pronounce the final ed. The first sound is pronounced id. This happens when a word ends in a T or a D. For example, needed, wanted. Next is a voiced D. For pronouncing the D sound, you need to say the infinitive fully first, then add a voiced D, like in the word dad. For example, played, hugged. And the final pronunciation is the voiceless T. For pronouncing the T sound, you need to say the infinitive fully first, then add a voiceless T, like in the word time. For example, walked, reached,